Hi there, Chef Patrick Howden here with the Farmhouse Cafe over in Wendell. And we're here to show you something to do with some nice fresh strawberries. Homes by Dickerson in their Concord model has been gracious enough to let us use their space. And so let's just get right to it. Love this time of year. And this is all about strawberry season to me. And the best way is to go out and do a you pick thing. Get out in the air, go pick your own strawberries. And there's nothing like having a fresh strawberry right off the vine. And here I'm using Pope's strawberries, are right down the street from us. We got these just the other day. And what we're gonna do is use them to make a very versatile strawberry tarragon relish. So obviously we start off with some very pretty strawberries. Gonna chop up some fresh tarragon. And the amounts here, you can just vary it with, if you like a little bit more tarragon flavor or just a little bit less. But you can also substitute, say, fresh basil or maybe some arugula. Even cilantro works well. So we'll do the tarragon, the strawberries. We've added a little bit of red onion. Gonna add just a splash of cider vinegar, some olive oil, little salt, little pepper, and then just mix that around a little bit. Voila, that's it. Simple, very, very simple. And this is what we can do with it. Relish. In the morning on avocado toast. At lunch over mixed greens with feta cheese, toasted pecans, and blueberries. At night, a little appetizer with on a goat cheese bruschetta. Or in your entree, salmon, or perhaps a steak with a little bit of drizzle of balsamic glaze. Well, again, you can see how versatile this is. You can even change up the fruit if you want. Instead of strawberries, maybe some nice fresh peaches when they roll in. Or perhaps plums or blueberries by themselves. Anyway, this is Chef Patrick Howden of the Farmhouse Cafe here in the Concord model by Homes by Dickerson here in Wendell Falls. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you soon.